everyone. I hope everyone's having a blessed day. Make sure that you like and subscribe to my video. We just checked into this is where we're actually staying in the DR. Like I told you, we are actually at our new place here in the DR. Places that basically we're renting just for fun. We rent us a new place every so often until they finish building our home. And this is a 2-bedroom condo. I will show you guys one of the bedrooms. This is one of the bedrooms here. The closet, we have the robes, same rooms are identical. Another room. Then you also have a bathroom here. Tub. You have the shower and here as well. Have a nice shower. Have another bedroom. This is the living room / dining room and the kitchen. We have flat screen TV in here. They also have an extra sofa bed there, ceiling fan. And this is our view. A pool view out our patio, as well as we have the marina over there. And they actually have some yachts on the water. There's a place down there where you can actually get food as well. And like I said, this is our pool view. They have the big yacht over there on the water that Jennifer Lopez sold to them or donated. I don't know if she sold it or donated it, but this is our pool view. Have a blessed day. Shalom.